Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a Big Bang.
So, based off of your knowledge, what is the Big Bang Theory?
The Big Bang.
You can think about it if you need to.
Well, isn't the theory something about there's like a matter, like way long time ago, there's like this one really super dense matter, and then it just exploded one day, and then just all spread out throughout, you know, space and time and all that stuff.
Okay.
I think that's
and
it.
So this was like years and years and years and years and years ago. It was just like this one occurrence, and like that was it.
One occurrence. Well, I think they were thinking about there were like alternate universes like rubbing together and then like just making like this really dense super matter that just exploded. I think something like that. I don't really know.
The theory, I think it's the idea that, I won't say the universe, but a lot of the planets, the stars were created through a singular explosion. I don't remember exactly how that explosion started. But that's about as much as I remember about it.
It's a theory that little dust particles exploded and made the world.
No.
Shouldn't you check your database?
No.
Like the TV show? No, I'm kidding. That was a dumb joke. It's the theory that like the universe was created by like a small little, like couple particles, and it like exploded into the universe, I guess. I mean, yeah, that's about as far as like.
Isn't that how the universe was created? The chemical reaction that hit and exploded? Isn't that right? Either that or it's a very popular television show.
Isn't that when like there was a bunch of early like particles that came together that made some kind of explosion that ended up forming like nebulas into stars and whatnot, and then those stars like they grew in size, and then like they started getting like gravitational pull around them, and things started orbiting around those stars, something like that.
Oh my gosh, I don't even.
You could like just.
Isn't that just like something exploded and then like the Earth was here?
No. The Big Bang Theory was when like a theory of how the Earth came into existence. I think it happened. They say it happened like with a big explosion, and then kind of the whole galaxy and whatnot kind of formed from there.
Something about the world being created.
The Big Bang Theory is an evolutionary theory about how Earth was created. I guess something with atoms and molecules. I really don't know much. That's all I really know. Where they collide and they create everything.
The Big Bang Theory? I think The Big Bang Theory is a show on TV that's hysterical, but I also think it's the scientific way that the world was created. Kind of like everything happened in a big bang, the world just came into existence. Yeah, that's what I think it is.
I think the Big Bang Theory is when a comet hit the Earth and it made the moon and our Earth. And that's how life came about.
This has to stop now.
That pretty much describes how we came into existence.
Mm-hmm.
It's the formation of the planets. It's pretty much how life came about, and that's what it is.
I actually have no idea.
You want to give like a little bit of like a. You can think about it.
The Big Bang Theory is a theory as to how the universe was created, I think.
It's a TV show. It's really funny. And it's also like how the universe was created. And it's an alternative to like the creation theory.
Okay, I know I learned it in history class, but honestly, I couldn't tell you anything about it. That's my answer.
Isn't the Big Bang Theory, I just learned this in GSci. It's about how all of the, like how things were, it's all the different like particles in the I remember it's like it all like came together and it was like 3 seconds and then a million years and I don't know. I'm sorry. We actually had to study it like 2 weeks ago and I've already forgot. So.
You don't seem to be understanding the English word no. It may be a different language will help. Russian, niet. Chinese, bu. Japanese, ie. Klingon, ko. Binary coded ASCII, 011, 0111, 0011.
The Big Bang Theory is when the continents divided. The hemisphere, and I guess the African continent came across from the other part of Asia, I believe. That's my theory of believing, of hearing that I remember.
Let me try gangsta. Hells no!
What do I think the what is now?
Big Bang Theory.
The Big Bang Theory? I'm not even sure I've ever heard of the Big Bang Theory. I can honestly say with all sincerity, I wouldn't have a clue.
You wouldn't have a clue?
I wouldn't have a clue. I wouldn't be very good to interview for this thing.
The Big Bang, I think it was a time when there was just a bunch of stuff in one spot. There was all this heat and all this energy, and just bam, and everything started spreading apart.
The Big Bang Theory is a theory that basically started the universe, where there was an explosion that expanded all matter outward, and our universe is continually growing.
Okay, based on my knowledge of that, it has to do with everything being super condensed at one point, and then I guess something happened where there's a huge release of energy and the universe is continuing to expand, and it also caused the formation of matter from that.
Okay.
Baby, baby, baby.